Hi everyone, so this is just a quick installation video for our Rotarod, just to show you how to install it and how to set protocols. So we have here the Rotarod itself and the control box. Installation is very easy. There are just 3 cables. We've got the power cable going into the control box and 2 motor cables that connect the Rotarod to the control box. Once you've set all those up, you can then turn on the control box. You might have a different model from me, but the on button is at the back. Once you turn it on, you will see this startup screen. When you want to export data later, you will need to do it from this screen. Now this is how the control box protocol screen looks. So we have here on the right section, time, speed, and acceleration. That is where you will set your protocol. So one of our most popular protocols is the 5-minute total time, speed up to 40 rotations per minute. So you can adjust those here. So you can touch the speed here and adjust plus or minus, time as well. And then also the acceleration, so the rotations per minute required that you want to have to reach that total speed. The acceleration time is altered automatically here when you alter the acceleration. You can also add steps and sections. So if you wanted to do, say, 10 minutes and then the first 5 are at a certain speed and then the second section is at another speed, you can do that here as well. So say set 10 minutes and then the first section is 5. You can then add steps going along like that. Once you're ready and you've set your protocol, I would recommend first pressing the 4 rotations per minute button. What this does is slowly start the rod rotation of the Rotarod. You can then load your mice onto each lane before you start the trial so that all the lanes can be counted at the same time. Once you're ready, you can press the start button here. Then it will start counting the latency time, as you can see here. When your mice are on the Rotarod, when they drop, I will demonstrate here, you will hear a sensor beep indicating that the sensor has recognized the drop. And you will see on your screen that the latency time, drop speed, and distance will be recorded and that the state will be in drop. The lane has essentially stopped counting because the mouse has dropped. The Rotarod will continue running for the total time, and the remaining lanes will continue to count until either the drop has been initiated or the total time has been run.